Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 27. I got in late last night, so I'm doing this video the same day I'll be doing the next video. And okay, guys, so we got our earnings last night. Um, you go right up here to the notification bell. There we go. It was 0.19%, guys. It was a lower day. So all of the money I have invested, which is about 14,200 and something. I made 75% of the earnings, which is off of the 0.19%. I made $20.23. Not complaining, guys. It is a lower day, but that's how Forex trades work. It'll not always be high days, not always be low days. It'll be all over the place. So I noticed a lot of guys in our group chat, they're actually complaining that it's low and they're losing hope and everything. But we're trying to explain, like for us veterans that have been around the system for over a year and a half, getting close to 2 years now. The company does have a history of that. The trades does have a history of that. I mean, see if you go down previous days 0.32, then I had a day of 0.44. I had another day that was pretty decent. Here we go, 0.49%. Today I made $51 on that day. So yeah, yesterday 0.19%, $20.23, guys, added to my total. And yeah, I'm approaching 15,000. I think I'm like $760 away from 15,000. So yeah, pretty excited, guys. Moving right along in the system. If you guys haven't seen any of my previous results, maybe go back a month. You could see where I was, like say a month ago, because I've been doing videos for just over a month now. I originally started my account October of 2020, and what I did was I was doing some videos at the very beginning. I think I started doing videos December 2020, I believe it was, and I did videos for like a couple months, and then I actually broke my phone, guys, and I stopped doing videos. It took me a while to get a new phone. So I kind of resumed things about a month ago, so let's say early May of 2022. We're now in the middle of June 2022 here, moving right along. My account's building, guys. I'm going to start. I know I've been saying this in previous videos. I want to start doing withdrawals, but I want to get serious about that and start doing withdrawals within the next month or two. My good buddy Edson, he just did a $500 withdrawal. So it goes from S Group into the S Wallet, and that's done from underneath. I think it's finance. Yeah, here we go. So you click on finance, yeah, you go to the withdrawal tab. The replenish tab is if you want to take money from your S wallet and throw it into S Group, so you can do trading on that money. But the withdrawal tab allows you to withdraw money from S Group right into your S wallet. That process takes about 8 to 12 hours. I remember he told me it did take a while. So he kind of just did it before he went to bed, got up in the morning, and then the money was there in his S wallet. That's kind of what I'm going to do, I guess. And yeah, and then from there he transferred it to his ShakePay account, and then he's able to do to his ShakePay account, and then from there you can just do an e-transfer, which is an email transfer we do up here in Canada. It'll go right to his checking account, so you can have access to the money. So yeah, guys, if you're thinking to get into S Group here, I know I've got a minute or so left to my 5-minute daily review video. It's good to start off at this level here, guys. Of course, you'll be making 50% of the earnings. They get 50%. This is anywhere from $100 to $499. You can start at the first tier here, kind of see how things are going, let it run for maybe like a couple weeks or a month or what have you, and then you can throw some more money in there, and as you can see, you could start earning some really good money. I actually, in the first 6 months, I put in 4,000, so I got up to this level. I made $1,000 in earnings in the first 6 months, and then I just let it ride all the way from 5,000, guys. So as you see, I'm approaching 15,000 from just being at $5,000 levels. So my ultimate goal, of course, is to go all the way through. The next level for me would be the $25,000 level. So my earning percentage would go up 5%, as well as their earning percentage would go down 5%, but there's more money in here, so there's gonna be more money to be made. But that concludes the 5-minute daily review video, guys. Make sure you hit subscribe at the bottom, sign up underneath my team. All links are in the description down below, and shoot me an email if you have any further questions. All right, see you guys in the next video. Take care.